India's food industry is transforming like never before. From organic farming to lab-grown meat and AI-powered agriculture, the future of food is here. In this video, we explore India's food revolution, the latest innovations, and how they're reshaping what we eat. Stay till the end to discover how you can be a part of this exciting change. Love food and tech? Hit subscribe for more insights into the future of nutrition. Agriculture is the backbone of India, but traditional farming is facing challenges like climate change, water shortages, and soil degradation. The solution? Smart farming technologies, precision agriculture. AI and IoT sensors help farmers use water and fertilizers efficiently. Vertical farming, growing food in controlled environments using less land and water. Agri-drones. Drones are being used for crop monitoring and pesticide spraying. With these innovations, farming is becoming more productive and sustainable than ever before. Would you try tech-powered farming? Comment below. The future of protein is changing. With the rise of health-conscious and eco-friendly diets, India is witnessing a shift towards plant-based and alternative proteins. Plant-based meat, brands like Imagine Meats and Good, are making vegetarian food taste like real meat. Lab-grown meat. Scientists are working on cultivated meat, which is real meat made without harming animals. Dairy alternatives, almond, oat, and soy milk are booming as lactose-free options. With growing awareness and innovation, alternative proteins are set to revolutionize India's food industry. Would you try lab-grown meat? Let us know in the comments. Technology is playing a huge role in how food is grown, processed, and delivered. Some cutting-edge advancements include robotic kitchens. AI-powered robots are making restaurant cooking faster and more efficient. Smart packaging. Sensors can detect food freshness and spoilage in real time. AI in supply chains. AI is optimizing food distribution, reducing waste, and cutting costs. With AI and robotics, the future of food is faster, safer, and more efficient than ever before. Which food tech innovation excites you the most? Drop a comment below. The way we order and consume food is evolving rapidly. Here's what's changing. Cloud kitchens, restaurants that exist only online, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. AI food delivery. Apps now predict your food cravings before you even order. Drone deliveries. Soon, food could arrive at your doorstep via drone, making delivery faster than ever. These innovations are reshaping India's food industry and making eating out more digital than ever. Would you trust a drone to deliver your food? Tell us in the comments. India's food revolution is already here, and the future looks delicious. With smart farming, alternative proteins, AI-driven food delivery, and robotics, what we eat and how we get it is changing forever. The question is, are you ready for it? If you loved this deep dive into food and tech, hit subscribe for more insights on the future of health and nutrition. See you in the next video.